Okay, so as you guys know, there were 4 modules in this particular course. So in the first phase of course, we just dealt with basic block-based coding. They had to make stories, animations, and then they have to understand what are the components of game designing. What is a game? Generally, because these people just say Roblox, and I don't know what kind of games they tell me. I forget the names. But yeah, they dealt through it. After that, we worked on something which is called parts of Quirky, where we dealt with each and every feature of that Quirky before we actually started robotics. And the final day, so you could say last few weeks, we did something which is called as basics of robotics. What is AI? So we understood and helped them understand what is face detection, how to detect expressions from face and mimic it on Quirky. So this was their complete journey, and now we are going to see their academic journey through a very small short video, which my time has been very grateful, and my colleagues have spent a great lot of time shooting it, editing it, and making this a full journey. So are you guys ready? Okay. So there are my health heroes. So basically on the map here, there is a pandemic zone where obviously when there is a pandemic, human contact is avoided. So they have built a bot to supply medicines into hot pandemic zone.
Yeah, so Numan was very excited about this class. Like he likes to make actually a lot of things with Lego blocks, and we wanted actually to explore more apart from Lego blocks. What can he do? So that's why we joined this class. He has been very excited actually whatever he has learned so far. He convinced me that he doesn't need anything for his birthday present, and he wanted me to invest in Quirky. So no present, and he wanted to actually put that money into Quirky so that he can learn more and more. And I think we have seen a lot of progress during exams also. He was interested to come to the class. At home also actually he's teaching his cousins and other ones, actually what he has done in the class. So yeah, we are very excited about it, and I will be definitely exploring more what he can do next. And yeah, we are very happy with the progress of the school. Thank you.
Yeah, so I think it was, I was looking for a robotics class in this area, and that is how I came across 10xClub, and I had called Rajesh sir. And then we came here, we interacted, we saw a lot of stuff that was happening already. And we waited for the class to start for 2-3 months, and I think we had inquired somewhere around February or March, and then in May the class started. I really enjoyed, and obviously Swara enjoyed the most, and the benchmark for me was while going from here to the car parking, she would just scream. She was so happy that she would just shout, scream, and then go. And at home also, she most of the time, in fact, when Pratibha Mayam gave the LMS, in the first week itself, you did 14 projects or something, right? Yeah. So she completed everything. She wasn't sure that it was only one that she has to do. Yeah, so really enjoyed, and again I also had a lot of my own education in 3D printing thanks to Rishi and Rajesh sir. So overall, yeah, very good initiative. Yeah, thank you.
Well, I do not know where to start, but nowadays if you see, everything is AI, technology, robotics and all, then we all as parents, we want to make our children superheroes. Hame bhi laga now. I want my child to know what everybody knows, people are doing. So it took us more than 6-7 months to find the right class, the right place. And then my wife saw your program on Instagram. Then yes, so Rajesh helped us. I spoke to him. But out of all the classes, this class is very different from what I've seen. It's not only about coding. I mean, Ridan has become more mature. The discipline which I've seen earlier, they used to just be on mobiles, YouTube, Dekho, Insta, whatever he is. Now he's on the laptop, but he's coding. He makes mistakes. A lot of things. And then this is one class he would look forward to. Suppose class starts at 3 o'clock, 2 baje se bag leke, mama chalo, papa drop. So he's very excited, and I'm seeing a potential from here. It's, as you say, it's financial literacy, whether it's about your startups and also whatever we hear, think and all. This is the right platform I think we can start off our kids with. Thank you. And in fact, I learned a lot of things from him. So sometimes I used to call him from clinic. Sir, aap free ho? He used to say, mujhe aa raha ho. And I wanted to know what is open schooling, how a kid can start his own company. We've had a lot of our conversations, long calls and all. I have to still catch up with you. Thank you.
Hello. So basically the same thing what sir said. I was finding a class for him since 1 year. I've been looking through all the classes in Pune. Either they are far off or something was not getting right. And this was the closest and I think the best so far, because I spoke to sir, the insight you gave, even for my elder daughter, the things you told. And I mean, the progress I've seen him is immense, because he has been a builder since childhood. I've seen him building the bigger Lego blocks to Jenga, cities and everything, and to Lego. I mean, his entire room is full of Lego. I should share pictures with you. He's always building. Every vacation, every birthday, he wants a Lego set. So his room is just a Lego room, I can frankly tell you. And then I was like, let's explore more. You should build robots or something like that. AI, he's very much into technology. He is continuously watching all those geek videos on YouTube. And I thought, he should just, if this is what he wants to do, he should explore, and this is the best way to start. I think this is the best foundation that you have given him. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am, for guiding him, and the input that you gave on him, that he has become calm and quiet and not a hyper kid. I think that's the way to go for him. Thank you so much.
What I have learned today, that my daughter is very much comfortable speaking in front of everyone. It's her achievement, I think, and what she has learned, that is quite good. She is doing her work from school or everything, and that's all. Everything else has done very good. It's quite good now. Thank you.
I'm really amazed with the way Shapir has performed. I mean, he's really very good with whatever he's doing nowadays. I'm seeing a lot of improvement in him, and thanks to you. And yeah, I mean, he talks about coding. He loves it. Now, even with the the task which you gave him, and that also he's doing it very nicely. And you only said that he's a paw that, so that's a good thing. So yeah, I'm happy.
So, Ridan is a child who loves going to many different extracurricular activities. And I've seen him excited with everything. He's a black belt karate champion. He's done in swimming also. Apart from that, there are many more activities that he would want to do. But the minute when it came to a coding class, his excitement level was so high that, as what rightly my husband mentioned, that he's always ready before the class also. He's waiting out, let's go. Even if there's a lot of time. So we can see that kind of excitement with the kind of class is because the kind of atmosphere and the learnings that he's getting from this. So thank you so much to both of you. The way you have built up this entire setup, the platform, the comfort zone for the way the kids are zero knowledge about coding, even QWERTY, and how to use it, how to take things ahead. It really, really gave him a different level up. So I can see that he knows what he wants to do. And he comes and tells me, you don't know this, wait, I'll tell you how to do this. This is my laptop, this is my QWERTY, this is my this thing. So he's very, very happy with the class and he loves it. I'm sure he's going to miss it a lot, that he's not going to be here. He's like, Mama, is it the last class? Who told you it's the last class? It cannot be the last class. Itni jaldi kaise khatam ho gaya? So I'm sure this was his favorite class. And I wish that, we're definitely looking forward for the senior course. Let's see how he can cope up with it, because coming to the senior classes even in school, but I'm sure with the way you have been cooperating and his excitement, the journey can take it further ahead. Thank you so much.
Good evening. I think everything is covered by you all, but just I want to share, in the free time, beside doing just watching TV and all, he's now talking on coding and gaming and this Pictobox, very less terms. I don't know much of this, but he started talking on this. This is a good thing. I think. Thank you both of you. Doing great job. Great. Thank you. Thanks a lot.